Let me take this opportunity to formally welcome you all to Dar es Salaam and to the 23rd edition of BUILDEXPO Africa 2022. Over the years, the BUILDEXPO has grown to cater to the demand of not just the Tanzania market, but for the whole region of East Africa.
Our company produces raw materials for concrete and mixtures, for dry mix mortars, for leather and textile industry, and a lot of different applications. So we're here the first time in Tanzania. Everything is great, great people. We already met our suppliers, our clients. Everything was great. Thank you.
Globally, the exposition and the fair was good. The Tanzanian market, huge market, and there is many opportunities. And for the next months, we will put many resources to penetrate these markets. Thank you.